Hi, I'm Greg Stokes. I'm an attorney in Atlanta, Georgia. Today we are talking about pre-existing conditions. You know, a lot of my clients worry because they've had a previous claim and they may have had a previous neck injury or back injury. Well, I'm here to tell you today that if you're in another accident and it's aggravated your pre-existing condition, you're entitled to make a recovery. But I'm going to tell you how you have to do it. The single most important thing for you to do is to tell your attorney your entire history, every auto accident you've ever had, any workers' compensation claim you've ever made. You have to come absolutely clean. Why do I say that? Because the insurance companies have that information already. They have a medical claims index bureau. So the defense attorney knows the answers to his questions before he asks them of you. He knows if you've had prior claims, and he would love for you to say you hadn't had anything in your past history. A lot of people think, I don't want to tell them that. It's none of their business. But that's how you lose your credibility. I'm going to show you a case that we had. A young man, he was at a car dealership getting his car repaired when a pickup truck came racing through the garage and in the driveway pinned him with the side of the truck against the wall. He suffered very, very serious neck and low back injuries. He had come from Chicago. He had been in 2 very serious automobile accidents up there, and he also had a workers' compensation claim. Well, the way the insurance company looked at it is these were pre-existing conditions and they weren't going to pay him anything. We made sure in his deposition he talked about those cases that he had. We then went to his doctor and we showed the doctor the surgery, the illustration of the low back injury he suffered and the repair of it by his doctor. And we showed the doctor the neck injury and the fusions in the neck, the repair that the neurosurgeon had done. And then we asked him, doctor, this man had 2 prior crashes in Chicago and a workers' compensation claim. When he moved to Atlanta, he was employed for over a year, never missed a day of work. In your opinion, did these injuries come from this pedestrian truck accident? Or were they really something that had been with him early on? The doctor said clearly, these injuries came from the most recent crash. We were able to settle the case 3 days before trial, and this man received over $850,000. Pre-existing conditions do not stop you from receiving compensation. You're entitled to compensation for the aggravation of a pre-existing condition. If you or someone you know has a case like this or has questions, call us. Call me at 1-800-700-5050. My name again is Greg Stokes, and I'm here to help.